Welcome to AEHelp.com's IELTS test preparation videos. Now you will see a candidate from Mexico score a band 8 for his performance on the speaking interview. For lots more help with your upcoming academic exam, visit and join our premium package at AEHelp.com with over 100 hours of video lessons, a fully interactive course with strategies to get those high band scores, as well as 6 original practice exams. Visit and join us there. Also, download our app, Academic IELTS Help, from your Google Play and Apple App Store. Then, link the app to your web account for a truly world-class learning experience. Now watch and learn.
Welcome to the speaking portion of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner for this part of the test, and I'm going to record it for marking purposes. To begin, may I see your identification, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. And what is your full name?
My given name is Juan, and my family name is Garcia, but please just call me Juan.
Okay, Juan. Here is your identification back.
Thanks so much.
The speaking has 3 parts. I will give you instructions for each.
Okay.
First, just a couple questions to get to know you better. Where do you live?
I live in the western part of Mexico City, in Polanco. Mexico City is the capital of Mexico.
What do you do for fun?
Well, I normally go out with my friends. I often have visits in my home.
Let's talk about guests. How often do you have guests visit?
I have guests very often, sometimes my friends, sometimes my parents or my siblings.
Who are your guests usually?
Well, as I mentioned before, my family or friends visit me. It could be my parents or my siblings. Like yesterday, I had my best friend Miguel visiting me.
Where do you invite your visitors?
I normally receive them at my living room because there is a lot of space there.
What do you offer your guests when they visit?
It depends on the time and the mood. I normally offer them a snack or a beer. I try to keep the food short so we can focus on the conversation.
Have you been a guest recently?
Yes, I have. I visited my best friend Alejandro. He invited me over to watch a football game and we had really good fun.
If you could invite anyone to be your guest, who would it be?
That's an interesting question. I think I could invite Pedro Fernandez just because he's a very interesting person and I think it would be very good to know him. He's a really talented, famous Mexican actor, songwriter, and director.
That is the end of part 1. Now we will continue with part 2. For part 2, here's a card with some questions. Here's note paper and a pencil. Don't turn the card over yet. You will have 1 minute to look at the questions, think about your answer, and then 2 minutes to speak. You can take notes in the 1 minute if you wish.
Okay.
I will tell you when to start, when to stop. Are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, then go ahead, turn over the card, and your 1 minute preparation time begins now.
Okay.
To see the full speaking interview and lesson, visit and join our premium package at AEHelp.com, where you will find over 100 hours of video lessons, 6 original practice exams, and a fully interactive course with strategies for high band scores. Also, download and link our app, Academic IELTS Help, for a truly world-class learning experience. Begin learning for success today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch more videos. Click right here. Or click our IELTS Hero for over 100 hours of complete video lessons and 6 original practice exams to help you pass IELTS.